Hey y'all, I'm Devin Humes and I am back again for week 4 speech to do a little demonstration. So, on this demonstration, I'm going to make you a little chicken and rice. It's one of my favorite meals and I always had it growing up, so we're about to do that. So get ready. So, this recipe just takes 2 simple ingredients plus some seasonings. So, well, first you'll need some yellow rice. This is my favorite yellow rice ever. I ate this all the time growing up. And then what you'll do is you'll get a rotisserie chicken from Walmart. There's some that already comes pre-shredded in the cooler section. So you'll just get some of this. And then we're going to go to the stove. Right, y'all. So what I put in here was 3.5 cups of water and 2 tablespoons of oil. You're supposed to use a medium pan, but we just moved into our new house, so I don't have one of those yet. And then you'll boil it and you'll put it on high. And let it boil, and then we're gonna add in the rice. So be back. All right, y'all, so now that the water's hot and boiling, we're gonna add our rice. Ooh. Then we're gonna stir it down in there. Now that we got the rice dumped in there, we're gonna put it on low, simmer, and then we're gonna put the lid on, and we're gonna put it on there for 20 minutes. Hey Google, set a timer for 20 minutes. Hey y'all, all right, so now we're gonna put the chicken in the bowl and warm it up. The rice is already gonna be super hot, so we don't have to throw it in there very long. My hands are washed. Wash your hands before you cook dinner, period. So we're gonna set her in the microwave for about 1.5 minutes. And then we'll press add 30 seconds and we're gonna wait then. All right, so now we're gonna take it out of the microwave. It's not too hot, it's a little hot. All right, so we're gonna take this lid off. Look at this rice, doesn't it look good? Then we're gonna stir her around. She's got a few more minutes to sit there and fluff. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna smooth this back out and I'm gonna dump the chicken in there. This is the good part. Look at that. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna chop up the chicken a little bit because it's a little chunky. Now I'm gonna mix her in. Now that the food is done, we're about to plate it. Okay, so the food is done. All right, y'all, here is the final dish, and then I'm gonna do a taste test. All right, y'all, now it's time for the taste test. Now this is my homemade chicken and rice. Thank you.